بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين قصة waxaan idin soo gudbinayaa oo Soomaalida la rabo in lagu dabaqo waxa xabsiga ka cararay naaiba ama gabar maaragtay xildhibaan ah oo Colombiyad ah oo xabsiga si yani la yaab leh ugu fakatay gabadhaas oo sanadkii 2018 ama lagu soo xiray inay codadka iibsatay yani ishtarat bituhmat shara aswad marka anaguna madaxweynayaasha xitaa ayaa codadka iibsaday lacag ku iibsaday lamana qabto meeshaan xildhibaanada xitaa iyo dadka codadka iibsado ayaa la qabanayaa oo xabsi la gelinaya marka gabadhan xabsi bay ka fakatay dariishaday ka soo booday hoos ba maaragtay waxa ku sugayay bushkuleeti ama
A brazen escape by a former Colombian lawmaker serving 15 years in prison. CCTV footage shows her using a rope to shimmy down to the street below. She's helped by onlookers as she falls to the ground. Ida Merlano had been escorted by a prison guard to a doctor's office in Bogota, but was left alone inside the office, according to local media. After escaping from the doctor's office, she hops on a waiting motorcycle and speeds off. A Colombian prison official, General William Ruiz, said authorities are taking a closer look at what went wrong.
There's an investigation underway for the mistake that may have occurred regarding the oversight of the mission, of taking her to the doctor's office and bringing her back to the women's prison.
The 43-year-old had been sentenced by the country's Supreme Court to 15 years in prison for illegal firearms possession, electoral fraud, and other crimes. She has not been seen by authorities since her escape.